gonna stay here in Baxter Springs. We're gonna lay low until the law can figure out just where we are. Bonnie, Clyde, Blanche and I, C.W. Moss, gonna stay here until the sirens call. Then we'll load up our weapons and all of our cash into the cars, make our getaway. It's only a mile or so to the Oklahoma border and the Indian Territory. Clyde shot a man last week after robbing a bank in Joplin. Somehow we got away clean, but we had to rescue Blanche. She was running down the street screaming. Half dressed, we're headed into Kansas. We're gonna stay here in Baxter Springs. We're gonna lay low until the marshal figures out just who we are. Bonnie, Clyde, Blanche and I, C.W. Moss, gonna stay here until the sirens call. Then we'll load up our weapons and all of our cash into the cars, make our getaway. It's only a mile or so to the Oklahoma border and the Indian Territory, where the Shawnee and the Cherokee and the Ottawa thrive, Seneca, Cayuga too. The Wyandotte, the Modoc, Peoria, Miami, and the Quapaw are one big happy family. Gonna stay here in Baxter Springs, gonna lay low until the marshal figures out just where we are. Bonnie, Clyde, Blanche and I, C.W. Moss, gonna stay here until the sirens call. We're gonna stay here until the sirens call. Gonna wait right here in Baxter Springs.
Ruth Ann and Lynn come down from Baxter Springs, and that's one hell-raising town way up in southeastern Kansas. Got a biker bar next to the lingerie store that's got the Rolling Stones lips up there in bright pink neon, and they ride downtown where everyone can see them, and they burn all night, you know, they burn all night, you know, they burn all night.
You're gone, can't help but cry, cry, cry. But I can hear you laughing every time I close my eyes. I remember after church you'd get out that guitar. I'd go get my banjo and try picking a few bars, playing on the front porch. sky would turn to stars. Oh, how I miss those long and lazy lullabies. Now I know why you had to leave us all behind. They must have needed you around to help them with that joyful sound. One day I will sing along with you in God's small town. I bet you're at the dance hall by the little country store, where old men sit and strum a bit and women play their shuffleboard. Everyone is gathering on those old wooden floors. The circle is not broken now that you're inside the gates. The band is getting ready now and it's time for you to play. I'm betting all those old songs are just calling your name. Oh, how I miss those long and lazy lullabies. Now I know why you had to leave us all behind. They must have needed you around to help them with that joyful sound. One day I will sing along with you in God's small town. I can hear you singing on and on through the clouds. Faded love and lovesick blues and Sunday morning coming down. How I miss those long and lazy lullabies. Now I know why you had to leave us all behind. How I miss those long and lazy lullabies. Now I know why you had to leave us all behind. They must have needed you around to help them with that joyful sound. One day I will sing along with you in God's small town. In God's small town.
I love a truck stop waitress whose daddy owns a liquor store. She's a mean redhead, now brother, I ain't looking no more. Well, she's about all I can handle, even though she's only 4'4". I love a truck stop waitress whose daddy owns a liquor store. Well, I met her at the TA on 65. I was running down the National doing 79. Big sign flashing, man, I had to pull in, and I seen that redhead in my heart paid then. Now I'm living with her and everything's a mess, man. How do I get myself in such a fix? I'm hauling a load on down to FLA, and don't you know, man, that's where I ought to stay. I love a truck stop waitress whose daddy owns a liquor store. Waitress whose daddy owns a liquor store. She's a mean redhead, now brother, I ain't looking no more. Well, she's about all I can handle, even though she's only 4'4". I love a truck stop waitress whose daddy owns a liquor store. Well, I met her at the TA on 65. I was running down the National doing 79. passion, man, I had to pull in. And I seen that redhead and my heart caved in. Now I'm living with her and everything's a mess, man. How do I get myself in such a fix? Hauling a load on out the FLA. And don't you know, man, that's where I ought to stay. I love a truck stop waitress whose daddy owns a liquor store. I love a truck stop waitress whose daddy owns a liquor store. I love a truck stop waitress whose daddy owns a liquor store. I love a truck stop waitress whose daddy owns a liquor store.